unlock the secrets of Alexandria. Let's explore the real homes featured in The Walking Dead, where survival meets suburban living. Join me on this epic tour of Alexandria's post-apocalyptic real estate. Embrace yourself for an adventure like no other.
Hello, beautiful people. I'm Vicky Bryant, your friendly neighborhood real estate agent in the South Metro Atlanta area. It is a pleasure to meet you. And if we've seen each other before, I am so glad you're back. So I'm on a big mission here. I am looking to assist folks from all over the states in finding their perfect home right here in this beautiful area. Whether you're looking to relocate, settle down, or simply explore the possibilities, I'm your gal and I'm happy to assist you. So if you're ready to embark on the exciting journey of finding your dream home here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and get to know me better. So today I'm in Gin property in Senoia, Georgia. I'm previewing a home for a client, and I wanted to take you with me so I can show you the beautiful, historic, and movie-inspired homes in this neighborhood. If you're a fan of the famous TV show The Walking Dead and you're interested in purchasing a home here in Senoia, Georgia, make sure to watch the full tour because as we're walking through this home today, I will share with you more information about the neighborhood and the home prices in this area and the history behind this community as well as the future development plans that are in store right here. This home was built in 2015 and like most of the homes in this neighborhood was a stage for the famous Alexandria town of the TV show The Walking Dead, and it is now available for sale. It is a 3-bed, 3.5-bath, 2-story home offering 3,000 square feet of living space with a 2-car garage in the highly sought-after historic district of Senoia and is currently offered at $874,000. Let's go check it out. Gin property is a new community in historic Senoia, Georgia in Coweta County, Georgia. When it is fully developed, it will include brownstones or, the New York-style Charleston townhomes, single-family homes with a historic vibe, condominiums, and live, work, play homes, walking distance to historic downtown Senoia, Georgia. So live, work, play homes is an old concept where you live upstairs in the loft area and then you have the downstairs for your office. So if you're a small business owner, let's say you're a hairdresser or you're an attorney or you're any kind of small business owner, you can have your office downstairs and live upstairs. If you're not a business owner, just lease the downstairs unit to a business and you can get some help with your mortgage. Currently, there are several single-family homes for sale here ranging in prices between $795,000 and $875,000, and they're preparing and building the next phase of development. So you still have an opportunity to buy into this community as of the recording of this video. Just to give you some perspective, the median sales price for a single-family home, resale, and new construction combined in Senoia, Georgia is right at $550,000 as of the recording of this video. So the obvious unique thing about this neighborhood is that if you purchase here, you get to live in a charming historic district, walk-in distance to downtown Senoia, Georgia. And you also will own a home that was used as a movie prop. But the other unique thing about this neighborhood is that when it comes to single-family homes, every single home here has a unique floor plan And the vibe you get by just walking through the streets of this community is something you're gonna have to experience yourself. I cannot describe it for you. Gym property is zoned for the Coweta County School District, so you have Eastside Elementary, East Coweta Middle, and East Coweta High School here. If you want to check out the school ratings here, check out the description box below this video. I'll post a link to a couple of sites that will help you with that. For amenities here, you will have a lovely community park with a small pond, sidewalks, and street lights, and your annual association fee is $2,700 as of the recording of this video. It's going to cover the maintenance grounds, the management fee, and the reserve fund for this community. So if you're enjoying this video and you're finding the information I provide here useful in your home search, please take a few seconds and bump that like button on your screen. It's free, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you for that. I'm also really curious. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think about this home so far? If you want to see more home tours of homes in Senoia, Georgia and the surrounding areas, make sure to check out my channel page. I have a growing library of home tours, neighborhood tours of the area, and I feel like you will find those useful in your home search. But for now, go ahead and check out the next video on your screen. I think you will like it.